Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a quick and easy solution to fix that broken blush using a household item you probably already have. The first step is crucial. We need to crush all the blush in the container, including the parts that may not have broken. By doing this, we ensure that the alcohol will be able to penetrate and bind the broken pieces together seamlessly. So grab a small tool or even the back of a spoon and gently crush the blush into a fine powder. Next up, it's time to bring out the magic ingredient, alcohol. Pour a small amount of alcohol into the crushed blush. The alcohol will act as a binding agent, helping to reform the blush into its original shape. Now, using a clean tool, mix the crushed blush and alcohol together until you achieve a smooth and uniform mixture. After molding the blush back into shape, it's important to let it set and dry completely. This step is crucial for the alcohol to evaporate and leave behind a flawless, fixed blush. Give it some time to dry and you'll be amazed at the results. And it's time to check our blush. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay fabulous. Bye bye.